Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Looking for plastic mini toys for kids. This is tiger, yellow color, amazing tigers, raptorosaurs, Godzilla, cow, amazing cow, snake, kangaroo, goat, spinosaurs, dinosaurs, kangaroo, hippopotamus, dog, cockroach, dinosaurs, elephant, beautiful elephant, bear, lobsters, T-Rex, zebra, black color buffalo, deer, giraffe, amazing giant size giraffe, very nice, wow, amazing, parrot, fish, green color beautiful fish, crocodile, yellow color crocodile, zebra, big size zebra, shark, leopards, sheep, fox, amazing fox, tigers, beautiful tigers, jungle bull, very nice jungle bull, camels, nice camels, lion, dangerous, wild lion, donkey, horse, racing horse, gorilla, duck, giraffe, raptorosaurs, crab, cow, tortoise, amazing tortoise, cow, rabbit, roosters, sheep, white color beautiful sheep, centipede, goat, beautiful goat, panda, amazing panda, cow,